Greatest speaker of all time, how I can talk. Who's really represent our religion, our Islam, like good manners. This is Dr. Naik. I just smash people's face. I want to ask to Doctor, maybe he can share, he can talk with us about what Allah said. Who is the brothers, who is the real family? Because I know the ayat when Nuh alayhi salam said to Allah, you promise me you're gonna protect my family when his son don't follow him. And Allah said to Nuh, he said, your son is not your family because he don't believe. Maybe about this, Dr. Naik can talk about it because he know better than me.